Motor Crew Report, Chicago Marathon 2008. The motorcycle crew is part of the lead procession vehicles. Lead procession vehicles lead participants from the start to the finish of the 26.2-mile course. Motorcycles represent one of the many vehicles out on the course. 10 motorcyclists and 1 manager represent the Chicago's motor crew. The second motorcycle crew, Total RF, supports NBC's live broadcast. The majority of bikes used for the event are BMWs. Our main client is Bank of America, the sponsor of the Chicago Marathon. In turn, we support photographers, video cameramen, and race officials. Our responsibility and assignments are outlined by the Lead Procession Vehicle Manifest. These are the 5 unspoken but understood principles of the motorcycle crew. Motor crew participation was an overall success. A detailed written report can be provided upon request.
I'm inside your head now. I'm looking through your eyes now. I'm inside your head.